Hey guys, this is Biker Ganna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have received this Simtac hazard module for my Bajaj Dominar 2019 model. I was searching for hazard module since last 3 months because the plug socket in Dominar 2019 is different than the older Dominars. So after 3 months of wait, this company called Simtac launched one specifically for 2019 model. This other model will cost you 1499 and you have to use coupon code GC250 to get 250 rupees off for this hazard module in their official website. So let's go ahead and install this in my bike. To install the hazard, first remove the visor by removing these 4 screws. So after removing the visor, we have to remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here one is there. 5, 6, and 2 Allen bolts below the headlight. And keep a cloth over here so that it won't scratch the headlight. So guys, this is the Simtac hazard flasher which I am gonna install in my Dominar, which is 2019 model. And in this model the socket is different, so please ensure you get the 2019 model hazard flasher, not the old one, because it won't fix. So after you get the unit, you have to fix this here and you have to connect the hazard plugs here and here, and you have to route the switch from below the speedometer to here and connect it to the module over here. Let's test it out. Yep, it's working. Yep, it is working. So let me fix the headlight back. So guys, this is how it looks after fixing all the headlight and the visor back. So let me turn on the hazard now. So this is how it looks, and it has different patterns. I think there are around 20 patterns. In this Simtac hazard model, you can also turn on the indicator. If you press the left indicator, it will turn back to indicator functions. And after you cancel the indicator, the hazard will turn back on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for future updates. Thank you.